The Honda CR-V includes an integrated homelink system that allows you to operate your garage door directly from buttons built into the vehicle's rearview mirror. Once programmed, you can open or close the garage door without carrying a separate remote. This feature is convenient and secure, especially for everyday driving. Programming the system only takes a few minutes and can usually be completed right from the driver's seat. To try these, Step 1. Turn the vehicle ignition to accessory or on mode, then locate the homelink buttons on the rearview mirror. Step 2. Press and hold the desired homelink button and the garage door remote button at the same time. Step 3. Keep holding both buttons until the indicator light on the mirror begins flashing rapidly, showing the signal has been learned. Step 4. Go to your garage door opener motor and press the Learn or Program button on the unit. Step 5. Return to the vehicle and press the programmed homelink button to complete the pairing and test the garage door operation.